Good morning. It's a beautiful day at Lake Wateree, South Carolina. We have a special challenge today. 6 hours to catch 6 different fish species. The only rule is I have to stay right here in this spot. Let's go get it. All right, let's start off the morning. It's still early. Let's do one of my favorite things. Let's start off throwing a topwater. Little head-in Super Spook Junior. Let's just see. You know, you just never know. See if there's a fish willing to hit a little topwater action. All right. Switch it over, and I know exactly what I'm gonna throw. Little baby Rapala X-Wrap. Come on, baby. All right, let's go get something else. All right, here we go. Let's throw, if I can get it out. This should help us get a bite at least. Little black rooster tail. Oh, got him. Oh, first fish. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, first species, the white perch. Check that thing out. The white perch. Species number 1. And I think it might help us catch species number 2. Right through the back. Get the scales off. She's right here. Just gonna pitch it right there. Let it sit. Something already ate it. This is unreal. This is unreal. All right. We're letting this thing eat it. We are letting this thing take the bait. I think these are I don't know if you can see that line, but it is hauling. We're on. We're on. We're on. Woohoo! Cat Daddy. Oh yeah. That's what it's all about right there, baby. Check that out. Check out that blue cat. Species number 2, blue catfish. All right, it's 7:42. It's been about an hour. We've already got 2 species on land. We've got the white perch and we have got a blue catfish. We've got to catch 4 more species, and we've got about 4 hours because I have to go to a lunch. So let's keep going. All right, it's time for a new strategy. We got the bobber, got the little hook, but first we got to go catch some worms. Oh, that didn't take long. Where'd he go? There he is. Well, there's our first crawly boy. Got him that time. Got him that time. Let's go. Let's go. That right there is a baby bluegill. Get you a nice close-up of him. He's going straight on the hook. He is candy. That's a candy bait. Oops, sorry, Rod. We're just gonna pitch him again because there seems to be fish right off the pier. Oh gosh. That's a bite. That's a bite. Oh. Oh. This feels kind of nice. This feels kind of nice. I need the net. Oh my gosh. Did y'all just hear that? Okay. You're here. Oh. That's a good one right there. Oh man. Come here. Come get in the net. Come get in the net. No. No. Come here. Come here. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this net's terrible. All right. New game plan. Net's not going to work. We're just going to have to give him a dunk. Dunk. Oh, pull him in. Look at that beast. There he is. Check that boy out. That's a nice blue cat right there. There he is. Another good one. Oh man, this pier is insane. That's just two big blues back to back. But it's not helping us in the species count. We've got 3 species so far. We've got a bluegill, we've got a white perch, and we got a blue catfish. We've got to get 3 more species, and it is getting kind of hot out here. So let's try to change something up and see what else we can catch. Put this piece of worm on. Let's just toss it out right by the pier. We're just going to wait and see if anything wants to eat the worm. Yes. Yes! Oh, that's the one we needed right there. 4 for 6 right there. Largemouth bass. Let's go. Whoa. Could this be the channel catfish? I think it is. There we go. That's 5. These little channels love a worm. There it is. Got it? That is something else. Some sort of sunfish. Check that thing out. That's 6 for 6. Well guys, we did it. We have done it. 6 species. Oh my gosh. This is some sort of sunfish. I'll find out. What a beautiful fish. Look at the colors on it. 6 species. It has only been 2 hours. That is awesome. Well, that was a lot of fun. We did it. 6 species in 2 hours. Bluegill, blue cat, channel cat, sunfish, white perch, and largemouth bass. See you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.